Hello friends, Card Cash review. Well, that is what we are going to do in this video. My name is Shakti Lema from shaktilema.com, and today's video will be doing a complete review of Card Cash, wherein we will be able to understand like what exactly this software is all about and how this is going to help you in case you are getting it for yourself. Well, in a nutshell, like this is a WhatsApp. This is the world's first WhatsApp e-commerce apps which lets you to build a DFI store in hot niches and gets you unlimited buyers traffic in minutes. Well, that's what the product creator is claiming. And this is a WhatsApp e-store, I would rather say, wherein you can add product and start reaching out to the people who are on WhatsApp. So it's a basically it's a WhatsApp e-commerce site or website, you can say. Well, before going ahead and give you an in-depth review of this particular product, let me tell you what are the bonuses that I'm offering along with this product in case you are buying it using my affiliate link, which is just below this YouTube video. So let me tell you like what are they. So the first bonus that I'm giving you is easy passive paydays. Well, this is a training program wherein you be trained on how to create a passive income for yourself without wasting or without devoting much time, in fact, on those passive income generation. So this is a very powerful training, I would rather say. So this would really help you in your journey as far as Card Cash is concerned. Well, the second one is a great alternative to ClickFunnels. Well, this is a training wherein you'll be taught like how you can use a strategy or how you can use a software which is absolutely similar to what ClickFunnels provides, and you can create a landing page or you can create a squeeze page wherein you can invite people or wherein you can showcase that particular landing page to your potential customer and start collecting emails from them. And those emails to those customer whose emails you have collected, you can go and like start sharing these Card Cash product to them. So that way you can be able to generate more sales from using Card Cash as well. And this particular training and strategy can definitely help you with that as well. All right, so the third bonus is the third bonus is Profit Factory. Even this is a very interesting and a very useful training. How you can generate more profit out of your online business, and what are the strategies that you need to follow. That's what this training is going to help you with. And the fourth one is the incognito method. So this is a training program wherein you will be taught like how you can generate income without being in front of your customer. So these are very interesting strategy, which not many people use it. And these are the training. These are highly paid training, and people pay thousands of dollars for this kind of training. But this is absolutely free. I'm giving all along with this product in case you're getting it using my link. All right. So apart from that, there are a ton of vendor bonuses which he has given me, and I'll be giving it to you as well, which I'll be showing you further going ahead in this video. So these bonuses are absolutely exclusive from my end. So you will not find these bonuses anywhere from any other vendor. All right, now coming back to the software, that is Card Cash. Let me tell you like what exactly this is. So this is what the product creator claims, that this is a one-click done for you WhatsApp store, and it has around 150 built-in traffic sources for massive sales. So this has a 150 plus traffic sources which you can use to go and like showcase your WhatsApp store to them. And that way there are high chances that you'll be getting sales. Apart from this, I'll be showing you a demo of this particular product as well. So this says like it's a highly converting attractive stores, and you can achieve financial freedom via WhatsApp store. So let me also give you a very like a very interesting numbers about like what WhatsApp exactly is, because in throughout the world, like there are around 180 countries where WhatsApp is available, and you can say like every other person using WhatsApp. And as far as a report is concerned, each person at least opens the WhatsApp once in a day. So there are high chances that in case you have a store in WhatsApp, then there are high chances that people might visit your store and they might end up purchasing some product from your store. So being rather than being on Facebook or being on any other platform, if you are on WhatsApp, then the chances of you being shown to your customer or shown to the people whom you want to show is very, very, very high, I would rather say, as compared to other social media platform. So definitely this is a big advantage as compared to other social platform, because WhatsApp is something, it's a part of our life nowadays. So without WhatsApp, it is absolutely impossible for us to like to spend a day in fact. All right, so let me also tell you a few more information about this particular product. So yes, so what happens is that this particular product, like as I said, like there are 2 billion active users, and this particular card cash is available in 60 different languages. So suppose say in a country like India or any other non-English country, you can reach out to them in their local language. So that also even a big advantage as well. And it says like WhatsApp, you get 98% open rate. So like almost everyone opens their WhatsApp, and 100 billion messages are being sent every day. 53% of WhatsApp user in US use the app at least once a day, as I said, and half a billion users are checking WhatsApp status every day. So half a billion is a huge, huge number, guys. And as far as online shopping is concerned, with this Corona and all, people hardly go outside. Whatever they want, they order online. So you being getting in front of your customer and getting sales is highly possible. Like you can bet on that if someone sees your, out of 10 people, like five, at least five people will end up purchasing from your WhatsApp store, in case they are able to, means in case you are in front of them at that point of time. And since this is mobile friendly product, so definitely people will be able to view it as well. So your chances of being in front of the customers are really, really high. So definitely this software is a must, in case if you are planning to like if you had planned for a to start an online store or e-commerce platform. All right, so let me tell you like what are the advantages. It's a one-time payment. So for if you go and purchase some like if you subscribe to any other platform like Shopify or something like that, you pay a minimum of $29 per month, and that too some very basic features is available. But over here you will get all the features, and what Shopify or what any other platform gives as compared to them. This particular platform, in this particular platform, you get the same feature and more than that at a very, very, very less price. So it's a one-time payment only, and step-by-step online in store industry insider money making tutorials are there as well. So you learn how to use this store, what are the strategy, what are the technique that you have to use. That's what this particular product is going to help you as well. It's not that they're just selling you the software, they're also training you how to get most out of this. And you also get 150 free built-in traffic sources. So because traffic is the lifeline of your online business, and that's what this software is giving you. So definitely you are at the much like at a better place, I would say, rather than as compared to other who are on a different platform and trying to sell a product through their online store. And they are also giving 100 high converting sales and generating niches. So because in e-commerce it is very important that you choose the right niche. If you are not in the right niche, and then you might not succeed the way you want. So that's what this particular software is giving as well. And it's a new concept. Be the first to use it, become a market authority. Since it's a new concept, people will definitely get into it. They will try to check like what exactly this is, how this is working, and what are the product, and they might end up purchasing something from you. And it's a 24/7 marketing geek support, so you get a 24/7 support for this, and definitely it's a lifetime access. And let me also tell you, like the price of this particular software is only $17, which is insane, guys. Because if you end up $17 for a lifetime for a product which is equivalent to Shopify, and if you compare Shopify, if you like $30 roughly, you say, like for 12 months you are paying around $360. As long as you use it, keep on paying them, but it's a recurring fee. And 29, and let me tell you guys, some of my friends have been using Shopify, and they don't get the features at $29. They end up going to the next plan, and they end up paying $60 or $70 for that. So in a year they are spending like like 70 to 80, $700 to $800 for that. So that is huge. And but over here you are just spending $17 that too once, and you don't have to think about paying any recurring fee for this software. And let me also show you like what are the bonuses this particular product creator is giving you along with this product. Is that the first one is InstaProfit. InstaProfit is an online all-in-one Instagram to allow you to make four-figure income easily on a daily basis with a free traffic. So this is what you are getting. And the second one is internet marketing method case study. So you are getting a case study as bonus 2. Bonus 3 is Facebook group. You will get free access to customer only Facebook group where I and my team will answer all your questions. Definitely. And you will get exclusive access to secret live training, which will show you how we are running a six-figure. So how the product creator is running a six-figure income business. That's what they are going to show. And you can follow the exact step what they are doing. So you also become a six-figure income. Even you have a six-figure income business further going ahead. We have Infinite Webinar. It's a unique webinar platform with never seen before features. So you get this also. And the bonus 6 is Affiliate Easy. We give you instant sales system. It teaches you the fastest technique to make a first sales in less than 60 seconds. Bonus 7, YouTube Buddies. And bonus 8 is Super Page Builder. It's a drag and drop page builder that they're giving, and YouTube solution for YouTube for creator to automate all your YouTube marketing tasks with YouTube Buddy. That's what they're giving. Bonus 9 is multi-online store, and bonus 10 is analytic beast. So you are getting a huge number of bonuses from the vendor. Along with that, you are getting the bonuses from my end as well. All right, now let us get into the product, and let me show you like how exactly it works. So this is the dashboard of CardCash, and this is how it looks. And on the left hand side, you see all the options. The first one is the dashboard. The second one is store analytics, wherein you can see it is self-explanatory. I would rather say you will see analytics of like who visited when and who went till what page. Everything it will give you. And then you come to product. Over here, what happens is that you can add product. So just click on add. If you want to add any new product to your store, add, enter the name of the product, enter the SKU, and the product tax, the price of the product, how many quantity are there with you. Then you drop a file to upload the picture, and a cover image you can put, and you can give a complete description. So it's a very simple, guys. You don't have to think much about it. Just you have to just keep on typing the things to whatever is required. That's it, and your product get added to your store. And then the fourth option is product category. Or also you can choose a product category. Suppose say I have a product category of home improvement. So I can type home improvement and save it. So I have a category as home improvement, and within that home improvement, I can add as more product which relates to this particular category. Then comes the product tax. So where you can include or you can add the product tax according to your local tax or whichever country you are selling it. You can add that local tax along with the product price. Then then the next one is product coupon. So this is something a powerful feature of this particular software, I would say, because people always search for coupon to get some discount. So you can create coupon, add coupon, and give some discount to your customer so that they'll be encouraged to buy your product. And the next option is DFI product. So sometimes if you're confused like what product should I sell, then there are already some products already added in this. You can start selling those as well if you want to, and that can definitely help you. And then the other options is shipping, and wherein you can once you ship it, you can once you get an order, you can create a shipping order for that. Then the order, whatever order you are getting, what is the status of it? You can know what is the date, name, value of that particular order, payment type, what is the action, everything you can You can be able to view it over here. And then come the sharing and store settings. Sharing is nothing, but you can share your store in different platforms. You can see it over here: Amazon, BU, and Facebook, Google. So wherever you want to share it, you can share your store over there. And then come the store settings. So store setting, you can put a logo and like the way this CAD cache looks like, and you can give a name to your store, and store theme setting. Theme setting is also whichever theme you want. You can select that theme for your store. Then comes site setting. This also you can do like Favicon or whatever. On then store payment. Over here you can make the currency, whatever currency in whichever country you are selling it. Then store email settings. So email setting also you can, like mail username, encryption, mail from name, mail host. So all these things you can do it over here as well. And apart from that, you get a training from the product creator as well, a complete training on how you can use this particular software. This particular.
Welcome to the demo video of CardCash. Before I jump into this demo,
this particular product, how you can use it. That's what the training is over here, and of course the support is also there. So if you have any queries, any concern, you can always reach out to their support as well by clicking on and maybe more. So this is what CardCash is all about. So this is definitely a great product being created by Venkatesh, who is the product creator, and it is getting launched tomorrow. That is today. That is 3rd of August at 11 a.m. EST. All right. So if you want to pick this product, and if you feel that this product is the right one for you, that you are looking for a long time, and you want to build your e-commerce business, and you're finding difficult to like to pay for a product that is already there in the market, then this is the right one, because you are not paying a hefty amount, but it's a one-time payment, and you are also getting all the features that the market leaders are having. In fact, you're getting more than what the market leader provides you. So definitely this is a must buy for any aspiring e-commerce entrepreneur or e-commerce businessman. So I hope this review was helpful, and I was able to give you enough information about this product wherein you can make the right decision to buy it. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.